Hello friends, so now we will take a look at the cursor or the mouse pointer you can say in Microsoft Excel. First you can see it is currently in the white color, white format you can see. Now what does this means? This means is I can select a cell or a range of cells. Okay, so this was the first one. Next you can see if I am selecting a cell and taking the cursor at the edge of that selected cell, it has changed into some crosshair kind. Now, what does this means? This means you can relocate cell content to another destination. Okay, we'll put it back. Now you can see there is a small square at the this thing end of the selected cell. If I'm taking my cursor over there, you can see it is now completely black. Now what does this mean? This means you can drag the selected cell. Now we will drag this. Now you can see as I'm dragging, the Excel is that intelligent to understand that after January the next month will be the February, so we are having the sequence over here. We'll try here as well. Okay, and this is the date and we will be dragging it. Okay, so this was another cursor. And now you can see this is the year. Okay, and it consists only the number. So if I am dragging, you can see the number, we are not able to get the sequence. Now in this scenario, how we will get the sequence? Just select the number, right click and then drag. Okay, and when you drag, you will find this option, fill series. Click on it and here we have the sequence. Now same we will apply over here, right click, drag, click on fill series. Okay, next you can see that when I am taking my cursor on the alphabets or the headers of the column, we are getting down arrow. Now what does this means? If you click on it, it will select the entire column. You can click and drag it to the left and right so that you can select multiple columns. Same with the row, you can see it is facing rightwards. That is, you can select the entire row and you can select the multiple rows. Okay, okay. Now you can see when I am placing my cursor at the center of the columns, you can see it is facing two arrows, that is at the left and the right. Now what does this means? You can drag the column width as per your requirement, that is you can reduce or increase. Okay, same this with the rows. Getting? Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm hiding. I select the column, right click and click on hide. Now you can see there is the column C is now hidden. Now I take my cursor between column B and D and now you can see it has two lines at the center and arrow facing right and left. Now what does this mean? This means that there is an hidden column behind and Excel is now ready to uh, unhide that hidden column. So we'll click on this and we will unhide it. Okay, so this was all about the cursor. We will move on to our next tutorial.